Massive wagwan. So in this video I am making homemade fermented apple drink or sparkling apple drink or probiotic apple drink, whatever you want to call it. It's the same thing and it's really good for your gut health. So I am using some local apples that I am gonna wash and cut into pieces. I am also using ginger that I soaked into water and then use a kitchen brush to brush away the dirt, and then I am going to cut it up with the skin on because the skin will brings in extra yeast for fermentation. So this is the apples cut into pieces and the ginger root shredded with the skin on. That is very important. Now I am going to blend the apples and the ginger into steps using filtered water. This is very important as well. Use filtered water. This is the blended apple drink. Then I strain it. Okay, so this is what it looks like after straining it. Alright, so this is the ginger bug starter. If you look through my YouTube shorts, you will see how I made it. I will make one in the long form video. So I'm gonna strain the ginger bug starter into the apple drink, right? Gonna taste it and give it a good stir. And now I pour it into a plastic bottle. I am Jamaican, so please don't tell me nothing about plastic bottle can't work, because I me always use. I me grow up as my mother use. You understand? Yeah, man. Use the glass bottle if you want. So I'm gonna allow this to sit on the countertop for 2 days. Then it's supposed to get bubbly, and then I'm gonna add it to the fridge, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what it looks like. It's really good, so I will do an update to show you what it looks like after the fermentation process. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Walk good. Like the video and share.